How to make neon text in Picsart. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add this neon effect. First of all, open your Picsart application. Now here in the middle, tap on this plus icon. So you can create or open any of your projects here. Here I'm inputting one. Now here on the bottom, you can see this text option. Tap on this text. Now enter the text that you like. So here I have inputted my text and tap on this tick button. So your text is here. Now swipe right until you find the option called shadow. Tap on shadow. Now make the blur minimum. So I'm keeping it to 1. Here on the position option, tap on it. So make the position a bit similar. Here I'm keeping the position to 0 and 4. Now tap on color and here select the neon color. So I'm selecting this neon effect color, and as you can see, this effect has been enabled. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.